Hello my Rover friends and welcome back to the Lucky 8 channel. Today I'm going to try and reassemble the Freelander so we can take it on the RoverBall. I am quickly running out of time. I need to put all of the accessories back on, the air conditioner, the alternator, all that good stuff. I need to wire the entire engine, get this subframe on the vehicle, put the exhaust on the vehicle, and by the end of the video, I expect to be able to start this car. If it doesn't start, it's gonna start. I'm gonna start this car by the end of the video. Cue the intro. This is absolutely miserable, right? I pick the car up, just start getting everything done. Had the shop all clean and a hose tucked. How many times I've moved this thing back and forth, left and right. There was a secret hose up there, drenches me, soaks the freaking floor. I want to quit. I can understand everybody's frustration with this thing. It is such a pain in the ass to work on. Nothing is easy to get to. I put the car up in the air. Oh, I forgot to put the belt on when we put the motor in, so I got to take all the motor mounts off again, drop the thing down, put the belt back on, put this back up, and then I get soaked. Would anybody blame me if I just put a Freelander wrap on the side of the Octa and enjoyed my trip? Oh God, I really am not having any more fun. I'm not gonna quit, but I want to, I really do. I hate you, Freelander. All right, I went home, took a shower. I am back with my can-do attitude. You are going to start today, whether you like it or not. What were they thinking? So this is the third time I gotta take the motor mount off the side of the car, balance the engine. The lower bolt for the power steering pump, it has 3. Believe me, I'm considering just using 2. Won't fit in. It's about a 1/4 inch in the casting that's pushing too far for the bolt. So in order to do the power steering pump, you have to take the whole wheel off, you have to take the liner out, you have to pull the motor mount. Absolutely mental. Back to it. We are moving right along. Next up is to finish all of the wiring on the top side. There's a couple connections on the bottom for the transmission. I'll get that later, but I am feeling quite accomplished here today, and I got rid of that, so we're good. I'm gonna get the computers in, finish the wiring. We should be able to turn the key shortly. All right, let's put the jump box to it. See what happens. Make sure it's not squirting fuel or anything. Freelander doing Freelander noises. Okay. All right, everybody at home. Foot on the brake and... Oh my God, that's loud. She's alive! Clearly we need a little exhaust work. Got to figure out what those other hoses are for. But just that aggressive sound, it didn't sound like it was missing. It started up, seemed like it was doing the right thing. Double fingers, toes crossed. See you guys soon. Be sure to follow for more Rover content.